from trendfunnelsuk.com. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel once again. And I just want to share with you a new product, a new software that's just hit the market not very long ago. And the name of this software is called Similar Affiliate Stores. What is Similar Affiliate Store all about? That's what I just want to talk about. It's all about a software that helps you to find the hottest viral products from 9 leading affiliate networks and also generate instant commission from simple niche store. And all you just need to do is you just have one store in which you have 9 affiliates network in it. And this, not only that, this software helps you to find the hottest product. People are crushing it on in all these affiliate networks, which helps you hereby generating profit as quick as possible. And that's not the only issue. That's not the only thing it does. It also helps you to pull traffic, 100% traffic through social media networks. As simple as that. With that being said, we'll be going through the benefits. What benefit does this offer? It offers you 100% free traffic. It helps you to find the hottest sellers from 9 affiliate platforms. It also give you that physical and digital products. It doubles the commission. Stunning design, simple to set up, SEO ready. And SEO ready, massive traffic from social media platforms. You don't need to miss out in anything. And one of the cool thing about this is is a simple setup. All you just need to do is just to find, click, and profit. As simple as that. All you just need to do is to find the hottest product, click on the hottest product, and start profiting, start making your profit. And the next bit I will be sharing with you again here is all about the testimonial people have been getting from using these affiliate stores. And you can see that's what I'm showing you right now. You can see how much people have been making using the store. So if you're an affiliate, this is something you should be looking into. And if you're a newbie, it's another thing. This is another thing that can help you get started as quick as possible. And these are part of the money people have made using these products. With that being said, I'll be going to some few more information about this product. All you just need to do is to find the fastest selling products on 9 affiliate networks. These 9 affiliate networks are Amazon, eBay, Etsy, ClickBank, and so on. And all you just need to push a button and list on this product on your stunning stores. And the next thing is to push a button again to generate massive traffic to your product from 5 social media platforms. So with that being said, what top marketers have to say about this? I'll just want you to go into this website. All you just need to do, feel free to click on the link below, and that will take you to this web page where you can read more information about this product. And also, I would also like you to give your comments. If you've purchased this product, just drop down your comment. Let me know how you feel about this product. And this will also help other people who are thinking of buying this product as well. Comment, please. Make your comment down here and let people be aware of whether it is good or it's a bad product. It's mainly you can use it for any form of e-commerce niche that are listed on the network. And one thing is also that it helps you, it makes your affiliate marketing so easier that it helps you to get everything all in one place rather than you having everything in other places. The fun of it is that it helps you to generate massive interest on social media and search engines because these are already hot selling products you'll be tapping into. So with that being said, I'll be also be going through the bonuses the vendors will be giving to you. The bonuses are not quite too much. So all I will just be going through is that feel free to visit this page. I've already put the link below, and I believe you like it. And if you don't like it, if you have someone who have bought this product or who have already tested this product, please feel free to give a comment. With that being said, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of any form of video I will be sharing on any new software people are using to crush it in the IM industries these days. So thank you very much, and see you on my next video review. To your success, trendsfunnelsuk.com.